best to check how this works. And then screw the nuts. Nothing changed. What the heck, bro? Wow, this is a light. This is wonderful. I fixed it. Light. No light. Light. No light. I fixed it. Who is handyman? I am handyman. Woohoo! Don't forget about double protection. When just a two while there, take a little guy, just a little guy, and put. Need to screw this solid, strong. Same thing, double protection. That's all, easy brother, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And now we need just to put this plug-in right in this hole. Maybe a little bit difficult, but almost. Yep, here we are. Just screw it right here. So now we need to put a little bit more chain to extend it, to make it longer. I think this will be enough. Be careful with the knife that not to cut your finger. Just kidding. Just put it in the first ball and that's all. Chain ball. Okay, one more time to check it. Here we are. Okay, screw back. Put everything back. So that's all. I have done this job quickly and correctly. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Can't fight fire with water. Can't fight fire with fire. Fire.